What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to fold and unfold your E2 Pro scooter from Ninebot. So actually it's very simple and I will show you how to do it. So here we have the special thing that you need to do. It's actually with some protection here, not to unfold it on the way. You need to press this button up. As you see, it's going quite smoothly. And when you press it up, then you put this on your side. Let me show you. Okay, so with the second hand you hold the wheel here a bit up on this side, then put it up and like this. Then as you see, it's fully unfolded and you need to fix it here. As you see, it's fixed now. So you can put it up easily, then unfix it from this side and put it up, fix it again, and like this, boom. So it's fixed and now it's working well. So that's how you easily can fold it and unfold it within 1 minute.